If you ride dirt bikes as well, there's a pretty good chance that you've had fairly big offs, just like I did. After all those big crashes, it's pretty certain that your forks are twisted. Let's see how we can reset those forks back. So Tim Coleman rode my bike and he said my forks are definitely twisted. I definitely need to reset those. So with my Sherco, the first thing we need to do is we need to loosen the wheel nut and the pinch bolts on the forks, and we're going to loosen the triple clamp bolts here. Oh, Jesus. Way too tight. Nice and loose. Now let's loosen this one. Just loose, it doesn't need to be off. Now let's do the pinch bolts. That's the Torx. That's loose. Now that's all done, we're going to jump on the bike, hold the front brake, and we're going to do this. There you go, your forks are all straight. Now we can go back and tighten everything up. The triple clamp is going to be 12 Newton meters. So I've set that. Done. Do the other side. The wheel nut's going to be 60 Newton meters, so I'm going to need my bigger one. There we go. Finally, the fork pinch bolt, they're going to be 20 Newton meters. Done deal. Now it's ready for more crashing.